Hi, I am Dipankar Mohanty. I am a primary teacher. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I will try my best to making learning video for primary teacher for West Bengal. Today we will learn moving around. It is book of butterfly for class 3. It is lesson 9. Student, please open page number 114. On the page number 114, there is two questions. What do you see in the picture? What is it? It is a wheel. It is a wheel. What do we do with this object? Wheels means a medium of transport. If there is no wheel, the transport is totally impossible. In our previous lesson, you maybe in a previous lesson, which is the journey of the wheels, there page number 102, there is a most important, wheels change our lives. Wheels change our lives. We can now move easily and quickly from one place to another. We can easily transport heavy goods on wheels. Our physical work became less with the invention of wheels. Right from the tiniest watch gear to the large vehicle, the wheel is found everywhere. It saves our time, it makes our life better. Student, may we clear the sense of the wheels? Now let's read Unit 1, Transportation on Wheels. I am Marik Roy. I am a student of class 3. You are all the student of the class 3. I live in a small village. Actually, the Marik live in a village. You may live in village or municipality or city or town, maybe. I ride the cycle van to school everywhere. And this is the picture of the cycle van. This van is blue in color. You may see the blue color. A van has 3 wheels. Obviously, you all see the van, and a van have also the 3 colors, also 3 wheels. And next page, my father has a green bicycle. You all see the bicycle? It has 2 wheels. Last year my father taught me to ride the bicycle. It was great fun. You may know how to ride the bicycle, or you may not, but you must learn how to bicycle. It is very much necessary. I enjoyed a visit to Kolkata too. The trip was during the summer vacation. My parents took me there. My father told me a variety of vehicles in the city. Variety means various, very different. From our home, we took an auto rickshaw. This is the auto rickshaw. We took an auto rickshaw to the bus stand. The auto rickshaw was the yellow in color. It had 3 wheels. Then it has 3 wheels. We learn, student, we learn the cycle van, then the auto rickshaw. They all are 3 wheels. How much? 3 wheels. But cycle has only 2 wheels. There is also motorcycles. They have also the 2 wheels. Next, a big red and white bus took us to the railway station. I saw the bus has 6 wheels. This is the bus. This is also red bus. Bus has 6 wheels. At the station, we got into a train. This is the train. You all must see the train. It was green and gold in color. It was like a big snake. A train has many wheels. Train are the very weak. Then at first we learn the cycle van. Cycle van has 3 wheels. Then we go to bicycle. Bicycle have 2 wheels, but auto rickshaw has the 3 wheels. It is very necessary for examination. How many wheels have a cycle van? How many wheels have bicycle? How many wheels have the auto rickshaw? How many wheels have the bus? And also the how many wheels has a train? In the city, I saw a train-like things with the two compartments moving on the rails. My father told me it was not a train but a tram. This is the tram. It was blue and white in color. This is blue and white in color. It also moved on wheels. It also has the wheels. There are many cars in the city. Cars of different colors moves very fast. Cars have 4 wheels. My father told me all these are the vehicles. It is very necessary to move one place to another place with the vehicle. They move on the wheels. The wheels means the transport. Without wheels there is no transport is available. I was happy to ride the auto rickshaw, the bus and the train. You may know the Parik enjoyed the all type of travels like auto rickshaw, bus and the train. He also very happy. It is a very enjoyable moment for him. I was also glad to see the tram and the cars, but I enjoy the most a ride on my father's bicycle. It is obviously with our parents we are always very happy. This is 2 means of repetition. The wheels, how many wheels they have, you must learn. And then we go to wardrobe, variety, different kinds. You must know. Fast means very quick, glad means happy, right means journey. And then the activity. In the activity 1, it is very important to complete the activity to prove how you learn. The first activity, the vehicle, number of the wheels and color. This is a vehicle. Number of wheel and color. First the vehicle, number of the wheels and color. First there is a hint, the number of the wheels are 3. 3, color is yellow. Which one yellow in color in chart? The auto rickshaw. Obviously the wheel name is go for auto rickshaw. You write down here auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw. And then they came from the vehicle van. This is the van. This is stand for the cycle van. How many wheels? The van is also 3 wheels. Sorry. 3 wheels and the color of the van is, you all know, the blue in color. Blue. Okay. And the next part came from the many green and gold. What is the green and gold? Many means 6. Green and gold. Green, many. Green and gold is a train. This was the vehicle name came from the train. Then the bus. Bus has how many wheels? Bus has 6 wheels. This goes for the number of the wheels 6. And the color obviously red. And the last one, tram. You all see the tram. How many wheels? It goes for the many wheels. And the last one in the color is a blue and white. And then goes for the activity 2. Let's write the T for the true and F for the false statement in the given below. 1. If you have any question, please comment on my comment section. And this is activity 2. The first one, trains. Trains move very slowly. Very slowly. It is true or false? Trains moves very slowly. Is it possible to move slowly for train? No, this is going for the false. Okay, and then student, on the number of the B, cars are of one color. No, it's not one color, they are all the bicolors, so it is goes for false. The bicycle of the Marik's father is green in colors. It is obviously true. Marik lives in city. No, Marik lives in the village. It is goes for false. Marik is a student of class 3. It is obviously true. And next, the activity 3, let's make the word train. Arrange the following words in the shape of a train. Which word looking like a complement of the train? These are red, purple 1, yellow, black 2, blue, white 3, orange, brown. This is for your activity 4. You must go for it. Is for homework. If you face any problem, please ask on my comment. There is also a chart for you. This is a small chart. It is the vocabulary of transportation. You may see in van, taxi, police car, bus, ambulance, skateboard, baby carriage, bicycle, mountain bike, scooter, motorcycle, fire engine, crane, tractor, racing truck, cement mixer, dump truck, subway, helicopter, aeroplane, balloon, carriage, robot, boat, train. They all are the means of transport or vehicle. Student, today we learn the lesson 9. That's all for today. We will learn details for the next time on this chapter. Goodbye.